Hey guys, in this video we are going to review the Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus Robotic Pool Cleaner. If you want more information, please start the video. Features. Cleaning performance. It comes with one oversized high-speed brush roll that firmly presses against the surface of the pool lining to remove embedded dirt, grime, and algae. The brush roll then pulls the debris in toward the suction inlet, where the water is filtered and thoroughly cleaned. Water passes through the robot at a rate of over 70 GPM, ensuring proper filtration and circulation throughout the cleaning cycle. Clever Clean navigation. Clever Clean utilizes sensors that develop a digital layout of your pool's lining to create the most efficient clearing path. There's no needless random style patrolling involved. Thanks to Clever Clean, the Nautilus CC is able to touch more of your pool's lining each time it commences its cleaning cycle. 360-degree swivel cord. The control module connects to the robot via a long 360 degrees swivel cord that does not hamper the Nautilus CC's movement at all. In fact, because it can rotate all the way around, the Nautilus CC is able to twist and turn as it wishes without destroying the sensitive inner copper wires. The cord supports free movement in pools of up to 33 feet in length. Single top-loaded filter basket. This basket traps debris up to 90 microns in size, resulting in near crystal clear pool water at the end of the day. The basket is accessible from the top of the robot by opening a latch. This makes removing and cleaning the basket as simple as operating the robot. Programmable weekly scheduler. As you can imagine, a weekly scheduler makes owning a robotic pool cleaner even more convenient than it already is. The Nautilus CC's basic programmable schedulers lets you choose one of 3 cleaning times: daily, every 2 days, or every 3rd day. Pros: dual scrubbing brushes that are designed to clean the pool effectively. Superior filtering capability leaves the pool clean in just 2 hours. Requires no equipment that helps to save energy during pool cleaning. Cons: comes with no instruction manual that makes it difficult to use.